but it basically is. Yeah. Nung sinushoot namin to, sabi, ako talaga, wow. Wow lang ako ng wow. Kasi, natututo ka eh. And like kanina, nagsasalita si Executive Director Ed Cerudo, reading is like praying. You know, I'm already 58 years old and I learn something new every day. Ang dami mong natututunan. As long as bukas ka sa mga bagay-bagay and you're always like learning and fascinated. That's my favorite term, fascinated. I am fascinated. Pag na-fascinate ako, yan. Okay, kukuha ako ng retrato. Gawa natin ang kwento, shoot na natin ang docu. Alat ang kwento. Ako, Amparo, thank you. I was really impressed. I was really blown away. You know, we shot this in May 2024. Okay? Tingnan mo yung mga footage. Nalula ako sa footage. Kasi talagang shoot ng shoot. Ang okay dito, papalit ka ng lente. Kasi maliliit eh. So, nung tinitingnan ko yung footage, oh my, nalulod ako. I was overwhelmed. And it took a while for me to let it sink in and sort it out so I can put it together and edit it. Diba? So, minsan, yung sa Paracelis, Sir, ready na ba yung video? Baka pwede namin masilip. So, log-log ko, Diyos ko, wala pa nga akong 2 minutes na nabubuhay. Okay, but eventually nabuo. And it's an editor's dream to edit so much footage. Kasi ang daming kwento. Maglalaro talaga yung kakayahan mo magtahe, pun intended, magtahe at maghabit ng kwento. Okay. Which brings me to another point. Know Your North Film Festival. I think you have an idea of what the Know Your North films look like. We are mini documentaries. These are mini documentaries. If you go to knowyournorth.ph, you will find out we have over 90 short films and mini documentaries. Pwede ka mag-binge, pwede ka mag-fiesta. On different things. The Last Tattooed Women of Kalinga, Alonzo Saclar, Last Tattooed Women of Kalinga, Alonzo Saclar, the UNESCO Heritage Sites of Ilocos, Indiogenius by Kidlat Nahimik, the Santos House, Art Deco House in Bulacan, so forth and so on. These are just short films on art, culture, heritage, conservation, and sustainability. Okay. Swerte, I always say this, swerte kami, because our sponsor believes in these things. Nakakita ba kayo dun sa ad na Ride Victory Line? May nakita ko na sumasakay sila ng bus at nagbebenta ng ticket. Wala. Because what it is, when you watch it, oh my God, this is a good story about Paracelis is not even in the route. Wala silang bus na namadaan ng Paracelis. So it's really a goodwill. It's a story about the noise. Hey, now what are we driving up? Hindi ba kayo nakapassionate sa mga ganong kwento? Because it's alive. Ang daming kwento ng Pilipino. Hindi lang sa Norte, sa buong Pilipinas. Okay? Sa buong Pilipinas, maraming kwento. But in the way, how many here have heard of the term "got down" before recently? First timers? Generally? Nagulat pa kayo na may beader and embroiderer sa got down? Do you even know where Paracelis is? Di ba? Hindi. Of course, Ifugao, Kalinga, pwede. Pero got down in Paracelis. Suddenly, ito. And then you find out a story like this. Hindi lang story. Wow! Brilliant! Gamaba! Okay? And so how many stories are out there that begs to be told about Philippine identity and culture and so forth? We have an advocacy called Know Your North. Now, baka may kwento ng gumagawa ng asin sa Bohol. Baka may kwento ng isang marine protected area sa labas ng Darwin Negros. Baka may gumagawa ng kakanin sa isang sulok ng Davao Oriental. These are stories with fascinating backgrounds. but we don't know, or it's not out there, because there are no storytellers or filmmakers or photographers who will actually deep dive and tell that story. Right? Di ba? Nakakaliw. Ayun, dahil ang galing pala ng Pilipino. Uy, ganyan. Okay. Which brings me to another point. Sawang-sawa na ibang estudyante when I say this. There's a term in Africa. It's called griot. G-R-I-O-T. A griot. What is a griot? A griot is a gatekeeper and consolidator of a tribe in Africa, of the stories of the tribe. Siya ang gatekeeper. Sa kanya, kinikwento, bubuuin niya lahat na, itong kwento ng tribo. Or sometimes, he will tell that story. Or sometimes, someone will tell him that story. But to make a long story short, the culture and the tradition and the heritage of that tribe, lahat ng kwento yan, kasi oral tradition, basa-basa, it's the griot who consolidates everything. Okay? And it is said, na pag namatay yung griot, at hindi na ipasa, sinunod mo yung library. Hey. So, we need more gatekeepers of stories of our heritage and who we are. We need more stories told a certain way. Hindi content. Iba yung content. Storytelling. Okay. Because we need to document so many things. So we need griots who are filmmakers, or writers, or artists, or animators. Because we need that to be able to consolidate lahat ng intangible heritage, lahat ng kwento ng Pilipino. Because our Filipino identity is not one singular identity. Hindi yan, anong lingwahe ng Pilipino? Tagalog? Hindi yan. Cebuano? Chapangano? Pilipino? It's all that. Because ang kultura mo, ang identity mo is multifaceted. And we need to consolidate all those stories. So, in the same way, we have a corporate sponsor who helps us document things in the North. What if we extend that concept to the entire Philippines and give a platform to young filmmakers to tell your story? Yung bata na nakatira kunyari sa Lucena, pagbukas niya ng pinto niya, ang daming mga niyog. Gumagawa yung tatay niya ng lambanan. At may kwento yung lambanan. Storya yan. And sino nagturo? Kasi pinasa-pasa yun ng isang praile. Storya yan. And then we may be able to find, ganda ng kwento ng lambanan. Who's going to shoot that? Because is there a producer who's willing to tell that story? No. So what is the purpose? What we can do is provide a platform. We'll provide a film festival and provide rewards for young filmmakers to tell stories like that. Submit nyo, hanapin natin yung magaganda. Yung mananalo, may 150,000. Yung second place, may 100,000. May special awards for sustainability, special award for conservation, special award for art, 50-50. Yung pinakamaganda sa Luzon, may 50. Pinakamaganda sa Visayas, 50. Pinakamaganda sa Mindanao, 50. Nahimigay tayo ng just tell your story, shoot it, submit it. That is the concept of the Know Your North Film Festival. We want storytellers. Para dumami pa ang kwento, and that is yan ang kwento. Of course, pag pumunta ang TikTok, punta ka na ganun, mas mahal sa'yo, may mga nagtitrending, nakakaaliw. Pero maganda rin yung natututo ka. Because it fosters critical thinking. And it fosters a deeper appreciation of your culture, of who you are, and your identity. Know Your North doesn't mean the North as in the geographic location of where the buses of Victory Liner fly. North is also existential. Ano ba yung North ko? What is my North? What is my purpose? Diba? I need to find my North. Anihilaga ako. I need to find out my purpose. But I cannot find my purpose. Ayaw nga kay Ma'am Maribig. If I don't know who I am, and how do I know who I am? Then I need to find out, sino ba ako? Ano bang ginagawa natin sa Cebu? Ano bang ginagawa natin sa Bohol? Ano bang ginagawa natin sa Sulu, sa Sitangkay, Tawi-Tawi? Sa Lamitan, Basilan? Sa Sumisip, Basilan? Yan. Then when you find all of that, then it fascinates you. And then suddenly, di ba, may mga mahabi, yung mga weekend markets of all those garments. And you go around, you listen to people, I like the indigenous weaves. Ay, ang ganda ng tela. But then you go, ma'am, saan galing to? Ano to? It's an indigenous weave. So, they appreciate, but then, do you know what Inabel is? Versus a Pisiabe? Versus a Butangan? Versus a, Inaon? Versus a Kalingawi? Di ba? Ano yung hiblak? Is it abaka? Is it cotton? Paano na kinulayan? Ano yung dyeing technique? Ikat ba yan? Backstop loom o malaking loom? Paano mo in-embroider? Kasi embroidery is an addition to the weaves. Di ba? You can write, alam ni Ma'am Adelaide, you can write volumes just on weaves. At hindi pare-pareho. Paano natin malalaman yung kaibahan? Wala namang kwentong gumawa nito. Wala namang kwentong gumawa. Weaves lang yan, ha? Wala pang pagkain, wala pang sayaw, wala pang chanting, wala pang pinta, wala pang sculpture. Nalulunod ang Pilipinas ng storya. We need storytellers, we need filmmakers to tell those stories. What we can do, we can find producers to fund each and every one. Yung NCCA, walang pera. Kaya mo, lahat ng kwento ng mga gamaba. Gamaba, yung NCCA, hindi pa nabubuo lahat yan. Why? Kakulangan ng budget. So ito, nakatipid na sila sa amin. Kasi may binigay na kami. Nakatipid na sila. Right? So, because we cannot fund everything, what can we do? We can provide a platform by which bigyan namin kayo ng reward pag kayo maganda. Then suddenly, everyone scrambles to submit. So that is essentially the Know Your North Film Festival, of which submissions will start September 1 and will end November 15, and then we will like narrow down, and then we will have the final screening, and then the awards in the first week of December. Okay, di ba?
Yes.
Right? 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 Sige. Again, so, thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate it. This is my passion. Mahilig ako sa kwento, bata pa ako mahilig sa kwento. At mahilig ako magkwento. At mahilig ako manood. At makinig. At maghanap ng kwento. At i-document. Document. Kasi kung matuwa ka, alam mo matutuwa yung next. Pag makita ko para sa Elis, nakita namin si Ma'am. Galing nito, natutuwa ako dito. Kung natuwa ka, most probably, yung kasama mo sa bahay, yung pinsan mo, yung nanay mo, kapitbahay niyo, matutuwa niyo sa kwento. Kaya lang, hindi lang nakita. So kailangan mo i-document para ipalabas sa atin dito. Diba nakakatuwa? And you made an artist who would have been, unless she was recognized by Gamaba, she would have remained obscure. Diba? That is tragic. But now we can celebrate her. And we made an artist who would have been obscure. You made her day. Because ganda ng trabaho na ito. Hindi napapansin. Ngayon, napapansin. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you everyone for coming.